Bump start video. Oh boy. Grab this. It's that time of the day again to wash everything. I was riding today, Kyle.
Oh, it's pro. You gotta be using your new fancy camera for this.
That's for edits and stuff, I feel like.
I feel like you should use it for everything.
Probably. Alrighty guys, what's going on? It's been a minute. Sorry for the lack of the intro. We just kind of got out there and just started filming. So sorry about the no intro, but anyways, I'm back. 2019, first video 2019. It's pretty exciting, and it's also very exciting that we got to go out and ride dirt bikes in January in upstate New York. So you don't really get to do that very much in New York, so usually there's snow everywhere, but we're fortunate to be able to ride our dirt bikes outside on the motocross track in January, which is pretty awesome. You know, the track was a bit slick and a bit sloppy in some spots, but you know, for being January, I'll take it. It's so good for January. But anyways, I didn't get any GoPro of like anything really of riding. I was just focused on just filming really as much as I can, and so and we didn't really do many laps because, like I said, the track wasn't the greatest, but you know, it was good for January. So I just tried to practice and get the better technique through corners and stuff. So I don't know if that would have been very entertaining, just watching me go through the one corner over and over again. So you know, it is what it is. I got Kyle doing the corner and some other friends hitting the corners over and over again, but I'm not sure if that's gonna get boring or not. But I was actually trying out my new camera. I recently got a new camera. It's called the DJI Osmo Pocket, or DJI, sorry. It's called the DJI Osmo Pocket, and it's this small little thing. It's like the size of my hand. I mean, I have small hands. It's like the size. It's pretty cool. So a lot of the clips that you're gonna see in this video are from this. Just like the first probably 4 were from the GoPro, and then the rest of them were from this. But obviously I'm filming this on my GoPro, but I'm gonna probably do a review on it for like a next video or whatever. We may or may not go back to the track tomorrow and film some more stuff, maybe ride pit bikes or whatever. I just kind of brought it up and I was like, okay. But anyways, I was filming a lot with this thing, and this thing's amazing. I don't know how they do it. This thing's so amazing. But for those of you who don't know, just a quick summary, shortened summary of it. It's pretty much a camera, really good. It shoots as good as GoPro, 4K, whatever, 60 frames per second, and it's a stabilizer, so you can like move it all around. You can run with it, and it's smooth. It's amazing how this little tiny camera can do stuff like that. So a lot of clips that you're gonna see, I'm pretty much running, and it's just smooth. I know one of the clips I took, I was kind of like jumping up and down for some reason because I was going down a hill, and I was just trying to avoid all the rocks and like, trip and fall and eat it. So you can definitely tell it then that, you know, you can see it jumping up and down. But other than that, like I'll be like running down a hill, like across the track, trying to get a cool shot or whatever. But and you don't really notice it at all. A little bit, slightly, or at all. You barely even notice it at all. So this thing's amazing. I'm gonna do some more videos with this, but pretty much I got this because I wanted to create edits, motocross edits, and I'm pretty sure this will do a great job of that. It shoots in slow-mo, time-lapse, all that cool stuff. So there's so much about it. I'm not gonna go over everything because I'm gonna make a video, probably a review video on this, and do demo shots of it as well. So so yeah, that's just for you guys that are around here that stick to motocross stuff. I'm probably going to be releasing a video about a review, like I said, for the 5,000th time. I don't know. But yeah, I think it's going to be pretty sweet what this camera can bring to the channel. I want to create some really cool stuff with this thing. So I think it would be something new to bring to the channel. Just edits, some edits, and not always just riding videos. I know you guys like riding videos. I do too. I love making them, and I like riding at the same time. But I also enjoy making edits as well, putting some music behind it, and creating some pretty cool stuff. So that's what I plan with this thing. So yeah, I hope you guys like this and like all that I got with it. Some of the shots weren't that great because I'm still trying to figure out how to use it, but I'm sure as I get better with it and use it more, it would be better. So I guess today was just kind of like a test day to try to figure out and show know how to use it, and I'm really excited what this thing will bring to the channel. So anyways, enough of this new camera I got. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. So if you guys enjoyed it, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you guys are stopping by for the first time and want to see more content with the DJI Osmo Pocket, hit that subscribe button and with notifications turned on, and support the channel, because I will be making a ton of content with this thing. Edits, videos, you name it, I'm gonna do it. So like I said, hit that subscribe button if you're stopping by for the first time for motocross videos, or if you want to see more videos with the Osmo Pocket, hit that subscribe button with notifications turned on. And also share with your friends, whatever, friends, family, whatever. And I guess with all that being said, see you guys in the next video.